One of the best things about Kadence is that it works in the tools you and your team already use within your organization. To use Kadence in Microsoft Teams, simply open up your Teams browser and search for the Kadence app. Click Add and pin it to your taskbar for quick access. Once logged in, you can use Kadence in all the ways you did before, except this time, all of your tools are in one place, making it easier to access everything you need. Book a desk for when you're in the office next. Reserve a room for your team meeting through Kadence or your Outlook calendar, and bring visitors on site, all within Microsoft Teams. If you're booking a desk, choose your office location, the amenities you need for the day, and when you're planning on coming into the office, whether for the whole day or a specific time. Once you're done here, simply scroll through the available desks or see where your teammates are sitting on the interactive office floor map and book a space nearby. Once you're happy, choose a space for your ride and confirm your booking. Hybrid working couldn't be easier. Kadence, find your rhythm for work.